Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. Today I'm here again after so many days, but very important topic I'm going to discuss with you, that is if you are not getting orders on Fiverr, and it is a problem of majorly new sellers, but if you are already a seller on Fiverr, like you are level 1 or level 2 and you are still facing the issue, this video is also for you. So keep watching and do let me know if you have any questions related to the video. Okay, so let's start the video. The orders that you are not getting on Fiverr is common because there are already so many sellers on Fiverr who are performing and who are already selling their services. All right, and when you come on Fiverr as a new seller, your gigs will rank very low. Okay, so to rank the gigs high up in search results, you need to have some orders in your profile, or you have earned some money so that Fiverr considers you and start giving you impressions, clicks and orders. Okay, so I have listed some points below, and you have to make sure that you work on all these points very carefully. So our major topic is today is not getting orders on Fiverr. Okay, and this is 100% working method and the real one. Okay, today, or you can say that majorly the most of the sellers as well as the agencies who are operating their businesses are following the same method. Okay, so today I'm going to share that secret tip with you. First of all, what you need to do, you have to create your seller profile on Fiverr. Okay, you have to verify it, you have to make it 100% ready, as well as you must have some active gigs. Okay, that you can sell services of, like you have around, as I told earlier, you must have 5 to 6 gigs active on your profile. Okay, once your profile is ready and ready to sell your services, what you have to do, the next step, you have to wait for at least 30 days. Okay, because 30 days is a criteria that Fiverr will take time to rank your profile, or maybe put your profile in search results and make your search rankings like as per your keywords and so on. Okay, so you just need to wait for 30 days, and you must not be in a hurry, because if you do this step, like if you get the fake reviews or fake orders, you can get your profile deactivated for lifetime. Okay, so you must be very careful. What is the third step? The third step, that is take help from your friend or relative to create a separate Fiverr profile. Okay, what is this point is all about? Like if your friend or family member is in US or UK or in another country, that is the best part. Okay, what you have to do, you just have to say them that please create a Fiverr profile for me, and I want your phone number, I want your details as per your personal information over there, and I will use that information, or you just help me to create to get orders on my Fiverr profile. Okay, now the fourth step is, once the two profiles are ready, okay, like your friend's profile and your profile, it is not a necessity that your friend is in US or UK. If he or she is in Pakistan or India or Bangladesh or anywhere in the world, or in the same country as well, you can just say them that create a profile. Okay, and I can share a commission with you once I get the order, like a real order. Okay, and you have to pay them for the orders that you will get from them. All right, so the step is all about is organic orders. You have to take off around $5 to $10. It was all about your services. Like if you are going to work on web development or WordPress website, what you have to do, you have to make sure that the prices are between $50 to $100, because this is the average selling price. The average selling price is very important, because once you get the orders of $5 to $10, if you rank your gigs to like first page or second page by getting the fake orders or reviews, you will get a similar pricing ranges from clients. Okay, so you must have to make sure that from the first step you have to get the orders of $50 to $100 for web development work. For article writing, for blog writing, you can get the orders of $5 to $10 as per your budget. Okay, Okay, the next point is then get 2 orders per week until you start getting clients. Okay, like you get order for the first time, then you do organic orders for the second time for the second week, and you get 2 orders per week. Like if you get one order on Monday and you fulfill it on Wednesday, you have to get the other order on Thursday, and you have to fulfill it till Sunday or Saturday maybe. Okay, so this is how it goes, and it gives Fiverr search results the signal that this seller is performing very good and getting orders on his profile. Okay, so the next step is make sure the orders must be organic, means you must chat with your friend like your client. This point is very important. Organic means that your client and you are just chatting with each other in the inbox section of Fiverr profile, like you are actually the client and you are getting work from a seller. Okay, so you can, in this manner, I've explained this point in the other point, that you can take help from ChatGPT. Just write a command to ChatGPT to write a chat between client and seller related to a project. For example, if it is related to web development, you have to write the ChatGPT, please write for me a project chat between client and seller related to project web development of WordPress website, and it must be short. Okay, and you can get a chat, you can share with your friend, you can just copy the lines of the seller one, and he can copy the lines of the client. Okay, and just paste them, get the order, and just let me know if you get results out of this method, because this method is 100% working and no one has shared it before on YouTube. Okay, this is a secret method, and you will get consistent orders after this one. Like the budget that you spend on getting orders of around $50 by doing $5 to $10 a week, you will recover that amount very soon. Thank you for watching my video.